This is a 3D printer light. It fits well on my Ender 3 and I really like it. You can pick this one up on Amazon for about $20. I really like this one. In fact, I recommend it. And I do have a full installation video showing you how you can attach this to your Ender 3. So, what's the problem and why did I make my own? Well, this one is too bright, especially when I use the printer overnight, which I do a lot. If I leave the printer working overnight, I don't like this too bright light. So let me show you the one I designed, and it's much less powerful, which is what I want for my use case. Again, I do leave the printer printing overnight and I needed less bright of a light. So let me show you the one I made here. This one is nearly free and you can still see the printer and it's just enough for if you want to check on the printer once in a while. This is just a USB. You can 3D print yourself. It costs nothing and I made it on my own. So I will leave a link in the description and a video showing you how you can make this one for yourself if you're interested. But you get just enough light and it works based off a USB, so no installation required, and it clips on the top rail of the Ender 3, just like that. I hope this was helpful. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.